So my family and I love to have people over and have outdoor movie night. So I was really excited to get this blow up screen from VEVOR, VEVOR. I did get it for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. It came with the instructions, the blower, the frame, the screen, a storage bag, and even a repair kit, and then stakes so that you can put it down in the ground if you are watching it outside on a windy night. So we had to hook the actual frame, the blow-up frame, to the blower. We did set it all out and get it all unwrapped really good, and we tied the part right here onto the blower so it could blow it up. And we plugged it in, which had a pretty good long cord on it, and then we flipped it on, and it was up in a matter of seconds. It did not take long at all for this huge thing to blow up. And then we had to Velcro the screen onto the frame of it, and then we stood it up, and it was ready to go once we got a projector all plugged in and everything. So it was really, I don't know, it's just really fun to have people over and to watch a big movie like that. So the screen, it stays up pretty and very good by itself, but obviously if you're outside, even though it's got the big legs on it, the feet, you would want to probably stake it down. So it's got hooks up here on the top that you can tie the string to, and then as well, it's got the hooks on the actual feet, so you can stake it down pretty good. But all in all, it's a great construction. I was very pleased with it. It's really big. It's 16 feet, so we can definitely watch some movies on it when it gets to be nice outside. And so when you want to deflate it, you simply just turn the blower off, and then it's got this zipper thing on the side for you to open it up. So definitely a great product.